In this tutorial, we're looking at the keyPressed variable. This is a variable that is listening for any key on the keyboard to be pressed down. When that happens, the keyPressed variable goes from a value of false to a value of true. We're going to demonstrate this using the sketch from the previous example. We've introduced a new variable, stroke weight of 1, because we're going to manage the stroke weight through a key press. Size is 500 by 500. The cursor is set to a hand. We draw the background once in the setup. Then when we enter the draw loop, we set the stroke to 255 value of white with 100 alpha. The stroke weight is using the stroke weight variable. And first we have the mouse pressed conditional. If the mouse pressed is true, we're drawing a line from the existing mouse position to the previous mouse position. And if key pressed is also true, then we increment up the stroke weight. So this is shorthand for stroke weight equals stroke weight plus 1. So if we play this, we will see as we draw, so same as the previous example, but now I tapped the keyboard, and so it was pressed for a certain period of time. It probably incremented up a few, and if I'm holding down the mouse, and as I hold down the keyboard, the number keeps going up and up. So let's add a couple pieces of code here. So we're going to do a print line just so we can see what size we're getting. Okay, now let's try it again. So you can see it's 1 down at the bottom. Then I tapped it, and now it's 3. Held it a little bit longer, now it's 12. And you can see it's ascending linear growth. And so we've got a 402 stroke weight in a very short line. So there you go. So that's key pressed.